Hello, everyone. In today's tips, I'm going to tell you a great trick. If the white walls in your home are dirty and you don't want to paint them, I have a simple solution that will make them look as good as new. I know that many people choose to paint their walls white because it makes them look nice, but white walls are also easy to stain. Whether mischievous kids use a pen to draw on the walls or leave muddy footprints, these stains can quickly turn a white wall into a big mess. It can be hard and take a long time to get rid of these stains. If you just wipe them with water, the stain will spread and get worse. So, how do you get these marks off the wall and make it white again? Today, I'm going to show you a simple method that only needs a few things you already have at home. Let's take a look. First, prepare a container for the detergent. Get the right amount of white toothpaste out of the tube. It's important to use white toothpaste because it has friction particles that get rid of stains and make the wall you're wiping whiter. Then, add the right amount of white vinegar. White vinegar not only makes food taste better, but it also makes dirt easier to clean up. Now pour in a little alcohol. It works very well to get oil stains, dust, and other things off the wall. Also, it dries quickly, so the wall doesn't stay wet for long. Then put in the right amount of flour. Flour picks up dirt and makes the wall whiter at the same time. Use a spoon to mix everything well until it forms a paste. Once the cleaning solution is ready, it's time to see how it works. Take a scouring pad and put some of the solution on it. Gently wipe the walls with a scouring pad. Be careful not to push too hard or you might scratch the wall. As you wipe, you'll see that the stains on the wall start to fade. But the wall doesn't get any worse. This method is easy and useful, and it will make your white wall look brand new. Take a look. The pen marks are no longer there at all. Doesn't the result stand out? Lastly, use a dry tissue to wipe away any water that is still on the surface. Voila! The wall looks just like a brand new one now. The acetic acid in white vinegar, which breaks up dirt, and the powerful decontaminating power of alcohol are the keys. When toothpaste is mixed with white vinegar, it not only helps clean, but it also makes the wall whiter. That's an easy way to clean the dirt off your walls. Isn't it a good way to do things? If your house has tiled walls with gaps between the tiles that are filled with dirt, you can also use this solution to clean those gaps. Just put the mixture in the holes, wipe off any extra, and let it dry in the air. It's the perfect answer. I hope you learned something from today's video. If so, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel to show your support. Every day we share different great content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.